In this video, we will draw a candy apple freehand with colored pencils. We will begin the outline of the candy apple with pink rose. Along with the shape of the apple, the outline includes the candy melted at the base, the gap of the candy on the top, and the stick that was inserted into the apple. We will also outline some details of the apple. Now we will use apple green to help darken the outline. Apple green was chosen because the red candy could have been set over a green apple. Along the seasonal theme of this drawing, we also have a previous drawing with a pumpkin freehand. The pumpkin video will be linked below in the description. The candy apple was chosen because although it is a year-round treat, it can be also associated with the fall harvest season. Now we will use dark brown to darken the outline of the stick. We'll use dark green to help darken the outline. This is at the top where the gap is in the candy and the green apple would show through. We're going to use black cherry to darken some of the outline of the apple. We'll continue to use black cherry to fill in the darker areas of value or shading for the candy at the base and over the apple. We will use crimson red over the black cherry to continue to define the darker areas but start to make them more red. We will use poppy red to help with the red color of the candy coating. We will use spring green and grass green to color the green apple that is showing through the gap of the candy. We will use dark brown and burnt ochre to help define the darker areas of the stick. Cream color was then used to fill in the stick. To fill in the red areas of the candy color, scarlet lake and poppy red were then used. Cream was used to draw a baseline at the bottom. Overall, I'm glad to share the process of drawing this candy apple with you. Thank you for watching.